Welcome, welcome. I am opening Magic the Gathering's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Play Boosters. Got a mutagen token with mutant on the reverse. Get that out of the way. We got Buzzbots, Mutant Chain Reaction, as a Sorcery Uneasy Alliance, Zog Triceraton, Castaway, Return to the Sewers, Zoo Escapees, EPF Point Squad, Foot Ninjas, Casey Jones, Jury Rig Justicator, Shredder's Technique, Raphael, Tough Turtle, Savante Romero, Times Exile, Nobody as the Shiny, and TCRI Building. Alright. So, we read this before, but I'll read it again. Savante Romero, Times Exile. It's 5 cost 4/4. Trample. It has trample. At the beginning of combat on your turn, put +1/+1 counter on Savante Romero. Then you draw X cards and lose X life, where X is the number of counters on Savante Romero. Man. This card's screaming for something to give it lifelink, which would be hilarious in my opinion. Oh, thank you for joining me. I hope you have a lovely day.